Welcome to another video. In this one I show you the fog lights switch on the Volkswagen Polo 9N Mark IV. I've had this car for a long time, but I never knew that once it's in the lights on position you can pull the button here and it will engage the fog lights. I didn't know that I could do that with the button. So yeah, that's the function there. My car doesn't have fog lights, so I guess that's why I didn't really try anything with that button. But they can be installed from what I see. It's not difficult to install them. The functionality in the dashboard and in the computer seems to be there. You see the light is there.
Whoa!
Yeah. That's when I realized that there is even a light for it.
I know what it's for.
Yeah, it's the fog lights.
Oh, interesting.
The fog lights are bright yellow lights on the lower side of the car, and in case it's very foggy and low visibility, you engage them to be more visible from far. And this is the indicator in the dashboard when the fog lights are on. Again, I had no idea that I could do this. Found out by chance. And this is the car, and in front of, under the headlights, under the regular headlights, the place to mount the fog lights is here. This piece of plastic would be removed, and another piece of trim, a piece of plastic with the fog lights installed, can go there. I'm not sure about electrical contacts. I didn't check that, but I'm pretty sure the contacts are there. All you would need to do is remove this plastic and put the fog lights in and connect them. But I can't say for sure. I didn't want to open it really too much here because I was on the road. So if you want fog lights in your car, you can find them in many shops. They have them, but I think it's not really necessary. But it's nice to know that you have the option. I hope this video helps someone. Let me know in the comment section below if you have fog lights and if you use them. We don't have much fog here, but if you live in a country where there is a lot of fog and low visibility weather, these fog lights might be very useful. Thanks for watching.